Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you important MCQs for all ICSE students all over India, class 8th multiple choice question where I try to cover the maximum points. Reproduction in plants and animals. First reproduction in plants, then in reproduction in animals. First, the reproductive part of a plant is the root, stem, flower, leaf. The correct option is flower. Male reproductive organ of a plant is stamen, stigma, style, ovary. The male reproductive organ of a plant is stamen. Process of fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization, pollination, reproduction, gamete formation. Correct option is fertilization. Which of the following is not a method of vegetative reproduction? First, cutting, layering, grafting, spore formation. The correct option is spore formation. After fertilization, ovary develops into zygote, seeds, fruit, embryo. Correct option is fruit. After fertilization, ovary develops into the fruit. Next, in bryophyllum, vegetative reproduction takes place by leaves, root, stem, rhizoids. Correct option, leaves. Bryophyllum reproduction takes place through leaves. The simple division of an organism into two smaller daughter cells of roughly equal size is called binary fission, multiple fission, fragmentation, budding. Correct option, binary fission. Which of these can be reproduced by its stem? Carrot, bryophyllum, rose, papaya. Correct option is rose. An incomplete flower with only androecium is called a hermaphrodite flower, pistillate flower, bisexual flower, staminate flower. Correct option, staminate flower. Flowers which have all the four whorls are called neutral flowers, staminate flowers, complete flowers, incomplete flowers. Correct option, complete flowers. A pollen tube grows through the filament, style, anther, ovary. Correct option is style. Next, seeds are produced from ovules, anthers, pollen grains, eggs. Seeds are produced from ovules. A plant embryo consists of cotyledons and embryonal axis, plumule and radicle, plumule and cotyledons, cotyledon, embryonic axis and radicle. Correct option, plumule and radicle. Fertilization takes place inside the ovary, ovule, ovum, gynoecium. Correct option is ovary. In cross pollination, pollen grains from the anther of a flower are transferred to the stigma of the same flower, flower of another plant of different variety, flower of another plant of same variety, none of these. Third option is correct. Flower of another plant of same variety. Which of the following is an artificial process? Binary fission, budding, grafting, fragmentation. Correct option, grafting. The number of sexes needed in asexual reproduction is 1, 2, 3, none. It is correct option 2. Flatworms reproduce asexually by budding, binary fission, fragmentation, spores. It is by the flatworms produced by fragmentation. External fertilization occurs mostly in human beings, frogs, snakes, birds. Correct option is frogs. Sperms are produced by urethra, ureter, testes, ovary. Correct option, testes. Testes are present in a sac called sternum, scrotum, sperm duct, semen. Correct option, scrotum, B part. The sperms reach the urethra by traveling through the scrotum, testes, sperm duct, vagina. Correct option is sperm duct. Next, the release of an egg from an ovary is called fertilization, menopause, menstruation, ovulation. Correct option is ovulation. From the third week of development till the end of the second month of pregnancy, the developing organism is called infant, embryo, fetus, zygote. Correct option is fetus. The female sex hormones secreted by the ovaries are progesterone and testosterone, progesterone and estrogen, thyroxine and testosterone, estrogen and testosterone. Second option is correct, progesterone and estrogen. The male hormone is testosterone, progesterone, estrogen, none of these. First option is correct, testosterone. The process of formation of individual from a zygote is called fertilization, development, growth, none of this. Correct option is development. Internally, the uterus opens into urethra, vagina, oviduct, vulva. Correct option is oviduct. The gestation period in a human female is 12 months, 11 months, 10 months, 9 months. It is 9 months. The natural way by which the embryo gets embedded in the uterine wall for development is called implantation, gestation, ovulation, none of this. Correct answer is implantation. I hope everything is clear. Any doubt anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you.